You won't question me. Saan sila?
Are they still
Sa
fighting?
outpost niyo? Sa outpost sila?
No,
Come
no, no.
southeast.
They're fighting west natin.
Come southeast, boys. Come southeast. What are
They're
you
gonna turn
doing?
around outpost? No,
Guys,
no. They're
come
going west. They're going
hello?
west of outpost. They're going west of outpost.
Come to southeast. Come to southeast. Hello? Come us, come us. Sige lang, may ini-invite na ako new member habang umiikot tayo.
Tangina, kaya pala pinaikot mo
Keep
kami.
asking. They're taking
Bumaba sila?
their... So, fight, I
It's okay,
think.
it's okay, it's okay.
They're looking
Okay,
back.
come southeast. Wait lang,
They're looking.
invite. Spread. Yung pa na i-invite. Ayan, invited na. Sige, scatter. Hug the wall.
Okay lang mag-fake. Okay lang mag-fake.
Random A na
Wag.
Wag na,
Look
wag na.
northwest. Inside barrack. In 3, defensive. 2, 1. Counter, guys. Inside. On barrack. Huge.
Nag-demon
Inside
shit.
barrack. Huge. Wipe.
Ba't di ko...
Sige lang, wag na babalik. Heal nga kami. Heal. Low na yung iba sa kanila. And down, heal sa front. Good job. Isang Navlis, ready defensive on Mika. Wala pa
Balaw
sila.
ha? Pati kayo. Ito na.
Come southeast, sige lang. Come southeast, ready defensive. Priyo si Zayole.
Johan, Castle, Bush. Okay,
Come
gumalaw.
east, sige lang. Ready, full engage in west. In 3, northwest in 2, in 1. Guys, come back.
Boys, huwag ka bumalik.
Bush! Balik ka dito, Bush!
Boys, huwag ka bumalik.
Bush!
Come southeast. Reset. Come southeast. Good job. Come southeast muna. Reset muna.
Wala nang manod.
Come southeast. Payon si Amoeba. Ang lapit mo. Kisan Davis, heal Amoeba. Kill this guy extend. Come north, come west. They're hugging the wall too
Wall
much.
bumalik.
Come west. Kisan Davis, ready defensive on Mikalets, okay? Ready defensive. HOJ looking in your west side. Sige lang, HOJ looking in your west side. They're on our west. Huge clump in west. Ready here, huge clump in west, okay? Huge west. Huge west. Ready defensive. Page is looking. Scatter around. Page is looking, boys.
Eight kami dito sa outpost
Wait
ha.
nyo lang, sige. Brawl nyo lang, Chipkin. Brawl nyo lang yung support. Page is looking.
Boy, si Red Reveal though, yung baguhan.
West.
Baka bumalik ko.
West.
Nice, hindi pala.
Hindi yan, ready. Huwag ka lang bumalik. Come northwest. They're getting pushed. Come west. They're looking to engage, ha. Ingat lang. Brawl nyo lang.
Nabam yung backline.
Sige lang, heal. Defensive now. Look west. Full engage west in 3, in 2, in 1. Huge west. Very huge west. Wipe them. Wala na nag-brawl dun sa end. Go. Brawl. They're low. Brawl the block. Blah. Just brawl. Low na yung root bound din na, boys. Brawl yung root bound. Root bound is very low. Kisan Davlis.
Dami natin
Hindi
dito.
naman dito. Wait lang, dalawa na kami dito.
Wala nang barit.
May blob na dito. Nag-blob na kami.
Dalawa na lang pala kami dun.
Nandito na yung
Yeah.
vlog mo, Barret.
Last man standing kami ni Barret. Ako pati si isang healer.
Ay.
Dalawa
Naka
na lang kami. Total na lang pala kami dun.
guardian boots ako, tapos demon armor, tapos namatay pa rin ako sa spike.
Tamang sisid ako eh.
Sayang yun.
dami
Pero
sa
ganda ng
pala.
front boy. Hindi lang na sadly. Welcome natin yung bago nating member. Welcome po.
Same pangalan.
Labas na kami,
Boy,
right?
boy.
Nag-reset na kayo, di ba?
Who's up
Okay,
to-
paping pa rin. Paping.
Ito ako sa ping.
Labas na guys, labas.
Amoeba, alam mo ba't wala kang Amoeba? Kasi nasa harapan ka eh. Mamamatay ka kaagad. Hindi ka may...
Cyclotic up kay hitang ano ka lang, combo.
Isang imperial
Low
mo lang.
HP, tapos may chase yung mga brawlers, chase nila din. Pwede naman na mag-stop ka sa likod. Top up,
Regroup.
ewan ko.
Pag low kayo,
Barret's
pumingi
on
kayo ng
the
heal
block,
sa likod.
guys. Follow Barret.
Mas, sige lang. Hanap tayo. Kamas tayo boys. Anong bug?
Yung mob,
Mounted
Hindi mo
on
ata.
northeast side Barret.
Come west, come north, come northwest, come northwest. Up here, up here, up here, up here, up here. UDP, dismount.
On the shield, guys. On the shield. On the
Kaya
shield.
pala to, faction, screams.
Subukan ko nga yung color nila.
Isang dabi siya to.
High ground sila.
Come west, come west. Sige, come west. Hindi defensive. Come west, come west. Nice firewall. Sa akin masyado ka di pa, pero
Hila
okay
na
lang.
sa south side natin, Barret.
Sige lang, come west, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north muna. Defensive, 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 defensive. On PH. On east, full engage is in 3, 2, 1. Full engage east, boys. Full engage. Huge clump in east. Huge, 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 huge. Sige lang, brawl, 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 brawl. They have nothing. Brawl niya, brawl niya. Nice Mears.
Hold mo na demon. Hold demon.
Pierce, Pierce,
Hold
Pierce.
demon, hold
No, Miss Piercers, bro.
I have demon.
Come
I have
southwest,
demon.
come southwest, come southwest. Si Micolette, mamamatay na yung root bound nila. Kill root bound, kill root bound. Kill root bound, mawipe lang yung root bound. Good shit. Come west, come west, come west, come west. Defensive, ready defensive. They have engage on 3. They have engage on 3. They have engage on 3. Defensive now, defensive now, defensive now, defensive now. Full engage in northeast. We're gonna counter northeast in 3, 2, 1.
Dead.
Counter,
Ako lang,
counter, huge
demon.
club. Counter, huge club on east, huge club in east. Counter, counter, huge, 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 huge
Counter,
counter.
counter, counter.
Good
Nice.
shield. Sige, brawl, brawl, brawl. Huge heals. Nice huge heal. Kaso di pala atin yung huge heal. Kalaban pala yan. Heal front lane, heal front lane.
Kalaban yung heal.
Pahil si Budgie sa front, pahil si Budgie sa front, pahil si Budgie sa front.
Yo, spread south, guys.
Patay ako, patay ako.
Come west, come west. Sige lang, sige lang. They're low, they're low. Mas kundi pa sila sa atin. Stabilize muna. Patay niyo ako natin si...
Yung root god mo, namamatay ka.
Defensive, defensive, defensive. Wala na sila rootbound Engage northeast, boys.
Nabisi ka, boss.
Northeast in 3.
Far.
Come. Ready defensive, boy. Listen, W's. Defensive now, defensive now, defensive now. Counter northeast, counter northeast, counter northeast. Counter northeast. Northeast, huge, northeast. Healer ba natin yan? Please sabihin mo, healer natin yan. Okay, good. Keep wiping. Sige lang. Brawl. Hello. Yung rootbound nila, walang walang nagbo-brawl sa rootbound nila. I mean, sa enig.
Help! Helpless! I'm dying.
Come west. We're not gonna give up. Come west. Defensive. Come west.
Can we counter?
Defensive now. Full engage inside of us. In 3, in 2, in 1. Full engage inside of us. Inside. Counter. Inside. Wipe them. Wipe na, please. Wipe na. Oh no. Wala na RRR.
Damage.
Alright, okay, alright, let's go guys.
Yung
Let's go,
kanina,
let's go.
yung Nurse Piercer, nahuhuli. Ang tagal mag-eat.
Patay si Kuya Barit.
Tagal mag-in ng Nurse Piercer kanina, boy. Nung huge clamp natin, sayang. Wipe na sana sila eh.
Ano mga tagal yung CD dito?
Yung enigmatic na
30
to, kanina
seconds
pa to, nasa likod nyo, dumadaan lang.
Kaya nga eh, bro yung enigmatic.
Walang
Isang
pupunta
lang
sa
yan.
enigmatic, guys.
3 minutes na siya, ganyan. Nasa likod, tapos na yung gagalawin. Yung first, round 1, round 2, round 3, ganun lang ginagawa ng enigmatic. Lakad sa likod nyo, tapos magtapo ng barrier. Para yung makatawa. Sa middle ng clap namin, tapos wala sa kanila, silence. Wala, parang pre-ride.
Come west,
Among
boys.
Us naging Among Us.
Everyone come west, boys. Everyone come west.
Go back
Come
west, guys. Go west.
Come back west. Everyone, come back west. Come northwest. We're kiting northwest.
Oh, may point ka. Wala man tayo enigmatic, no? Wala kayo enigmatic na dala.
Bro.
Meron.
Meron.
May
meron,
nag-8.3 sa atin? May nag-8.3 daw. May nakakita. Nag-8.3 daw sa atin.
Si Boss J. Brimstone.
Boss J, wag.
Wag
yan. Kick yan.
Sabi naka-brimstone. Siya nga yung
Brimstone, oh. Nilabas yung brimstone.
Pwede ko bomba.
Kahit ikaw na lang mambambo. Ito north, Gina. Okay,
Ayan, nasa 8.3.
Boss D daw.
Mount up ka na,
Boss D.
bro. Mount up ka muna.
Palit ka muna. Palit lang.
Palit ka daw na.
Pinang merong 8.3, sinabi pang wala. Very good ka rin
Nawan
talaga.
Ayan, 8.3 daw.
Nawanit yung healer.
Meron na one.
Na one shot siya.
Gulat ako.
Ano na,
Guys, wag na, guys. Wag
Jolie,
na.
may guardian ka ba? Mag-guardian ka nga. Bedra ka kasi.
Wait,
Ano
ba't nandyan yan? Dominic... Ha? Ay, kasama niyo pala, Dominic, sa party.
Yes.
Random yan.
Oo. Hindi yun random.
Di, wala na siya sa party to.
Pero naka-flag siya, so makabigay pa rin
Barret,
siya.
Big and South.
Oh,
Kalaw
baka
kalaban,
dami-
friends pala yan.
Guild natin
Ah,
yun.
Daw sa Gina daw, Gina daw. Gina daw, Gina daw.
Yun yung sinasabi mong enigmatic.
Come north.
Oo. Kalaw
Come north,
kalaban.
boys. Come north,
Naka
come
ako.
north. Why are you going south? I said come north.
Nag-watch na ako dito.
Come north, boys. Come north.
Nag-watch
Sige
ako,
lang.
mamatay kayo lahat.
Kailangan natin look southeast, look southeast.
Gina ba?
Hindi.
No, they're coming,
Tingin
guys.
lang
Ayun
ako
lang,
paano.
magtatroll ako, boys.
Madami mali.
Magtatroll ako. Come north, guys. All this choke.
Ako ulit si Badzi.
All this choke. Ready defensive. Defensive.
Wala, patay kayo.
Full engage on the choke. In 3, 2, 1. On the choke, boys. On the choke. Full engage on the choke. Just trap everything on the choke. Everything. Just keep push. Heal on the choke. Push.
Go out of the choke. Go out.
Fight with them, dude.
Southeast.
What are you doing?
South. Look south. In 3, in 2, in 1. South now. Huge clamp in south. Bro, go, bro. Nice job. Sige, push them. They're all low. On south. In 3,
Golem.
1. On the clamp. I clamp the healer. Go. Kill. Kill everyone, boys. Sige lang. Keep pushing south. Kill the root bound. Root bound is slow. You're so slow. Look south. Sige lang. Everyone is slow. Yeah, keep pushing, boys.
Oh, they
Gumana yung
sustain.
scam engage ko. Come back. Sige, patayin niyo lang to si Laniel. Good
Nice,
job.
nice.
Come back west.
Nice.
Ready defensive. Ready defensive.
Opposite lang natin.
Come west. Ready defensive, boys. Ready defensive.
Pahil.
Come north. Ready defensive. PH is looking to engage.
Engage na. Defensive.
Full engage southeast in 3, in 2, in 1. Full engage southeast. Huge southeast.
Na-GA.
No worries, they're all dead. Don't worry, they're all dead. Sige lang, ball. Keep pushing. Heal low. Heal the healer. Execute.
Bakit yung perma natin palaging random?
Execute. Push.
Lagi ako na-i-stun, boy.
Dad, sa may iba sa gitna na naman. Takin na, ikot
Pain
na.
front.
Ubak, wag ka dyan! Patay ka dyan!
Mali pa yung
Come
tinakbo, bro.
north. Sige lang. Defensive now. Counter northeast in 3, inside of us in 2, in 1, inside of us. Inside. Patayin nyo na to. Good job. Sige, bro yan. Drop it. Go, bro.
Gago, wala akong mana.
Heal. Where's the healers? Hello?
We should get. Walang healer.
Kulang na pala tayo healer. Binanalo tayo. Ba't na walang healer?
Si Inouye na lang healer natin. No mana.
Heal. Walang mana si Inouye. Oh no!
Ginarjun na kita doon. I tried my best.
Counter tayo southeast. Last engage natin. Southeast in 3, in 2, in 1. Counter. Huge. Wala na. Hindi kaya. Balik na,
Ay,
boys.
nasa mid far.
Naalala ko na ba't tayo namamatay. Kulang pala tayo isang healer. Kulang tayo, Blight. Yung isa nating healer nag-out si Ponciano.
Oh.
Pinatay pa ako tayo na.
Dalawa
Pwede-
lang rin yung healers nila.
Right, pwede din pala to, pang points.
Oo, pwede.
Points din to.
What if meron sa atin na tayo, posak tayo nurse, tapos yung isa papatay, diba?
Oo.
Point farming.
Mag-repair kayo guys, check yung gamit nyo.
Kala ko nanalo tayo doon.
Oo, dapat. Kaso hotdog eh.
Wala nang healers. Wala tayong sustain. Si Inouye ang tagal nag-pop ng cape ni Inouye, like wala siyang mana talaga.
Bigla na kill pala. Oh, shock ko. Eto, kinuha ko lang to.
Wala na tayong
Tapos
bite.
Bush. Bush, huwag ka masyadong malayo ah.
Hindi, may
Bush.
buhay tayo.
Bush, huwag ka masyadong push kasi support ka naman eh.
Para mabilis. Baga.
Sige lang, tara, GG. Dalo ulit tayo sa choke. Natutural na ako, boy.
Amoeba,
Ano
corner, wag sa gitna. Permafrost ka, pagilid ka dapat.
Please, Camila.
Man, ayos na. Pero kailangan mo yung...
Di ba isa
Come
lang yung
southeast
perma
na.
natin?
Hindi ko lang
Ganyan talaga Amoeba, ikaw lang yung perma. All eyes on you talaga yan. Paligisin mo lang.
HP.
Come back northwest. Pabulin niya, pabait niyo. Okay, gagawin natin, boys. Okay.
Regrouping pa daw.
Boys kami sa Alliance.
Regrouping po daw sila.
Sobra na yung boss.
Boys, listen na. Ang gagawin natin is engage tayo. Full engage na natin yung backlane. Yun ang gagawin natin. Yun lang. Pretty much yun lang. Follow the crown, engage yung backlane. That's it.
Alam na nila fake sickly actually. Alam na nila fake sickly.
Come northwest.
Hindi na gumagana sickly.
Hindi, nag-stop siya, bro.
Magalit. Nag-stop
Ah?
ako.
Baka
Magalit.
magalit eh.
Oo.
Sabi nila, di daw naka-flag.
Eh, tumatawa lang sila. Sabi nila, okay. Kasi sinabi ko, paragon ako sa FS, hindi ako maka-unplug, masakit yung damage.
Ginagawa niyo sa baba.
Paragon ka na.
Parang,
Hindi,
Gina.
regrouping pa. Regrouping.
Kailangan natin tong ano.
Engage yun, Barit.
Kinahot ka lang. Hindi naman ngahit yun eh.
Yung speed boost pa naman kita.
Hunter.
Ano yan? May damage meter. Sino ba yan? Highest.
Tayo, comes out. Everyone comes out.
Ha?
Sino
Sino may damage
damage?
meter?
Sino?
Lagay mo sa ano
So,
Ziol,
andun
sa
sa-
guild chat.
Doon.
Natatabunan.
Okay yan.
Sa guild chat. Lagay mo.
Okay yan.
Kill chat.
Sa guild chat. Wala.
North
Si
East
Ziol.
mo.
Come northeast.
Sa guild chat.
Boys. Everyone. Come northeast on the ping. On the blue ping. On the red ping. On the blue ping.
Sa guild chat,
On the
hindi ba?
blue
Hindi
ping.
ba?
On the blue ping. Come west again. I want everyone to regroup.
Sheesh.
Pero so, kailangan nila
Come west, guys. We're gonna full engage in their back lane. We're just gonna full engage their back lane. Here comes.
Harap talaga yung golem.
Here comes. We're gonna clump their back lane. Don't give a care about anything else in the world. Okay? Back lane in 3, back lane in 2, in 1. Go inside, boys. Go deep inside. Very huge clump inside. Kill everyone inside. Then pop. Then brawl. Come inside. Defensive now. They're looking to counter. Keep brawling inside. They have nothing. Brawl inside. They dropped everything already. Keep pushing northeast. Heals northeast. I want every heal on front lane. I want healers on front lane. Go brawl. We got another engage in 10 seconds. In 10. Go west. They're all in west. They're running west. In 5. In west. In 3. In 2. In 1. I want everyone to go west. Huge clump in west. Huge heal knucklets. Good job. Push this. There are enemies in their time stop. Kill the time stop at the back. PH looking to engage. Defensive now, boys. Defensive. Too late defensive. Nice defensive. Kill PH. PH dead. Go. Engage. Kill everyone. Full
Nagkadon
life.
pa yung golem. Paano ba yan?
Full life. Makbas at autos. Hotdog.
Ubos na healer
Please.
daw.
Alam na namin yung healer sa likod eh.
Come
Ignore na, di ba?
Come northeast.
Dapat na kasi mag purity robe healer, tsaka face kill. Hindi na
Okay,
gumagana
we regroup northeast. Stay here.
Sino yung kasama ko dun sa backline? Hinahabol yung healer.
Okay, regroup. Stabilize.
Okay.
Tignan mo si Mikelo, 1 HP oh.
If dito tayo magtambay, di sila makakaspawn dito. Ay, nakaspawn pala sila. Okay, that's good. Hindi ko na-gets yung
They're going north.
nag-recop lang sila.
Yun lang gagawin natin
May
guys, ha?
random,
Gagi.
may random.
Roll go, gagi. Royal yan, royal.
Oo,
Royal
may
yan,
random
gagi.
bro.
Royals. Ka-capture nila to, gagi. Ka-capture
Pero
nila.
sa tapo ng block. May isang block.
Hinahabol namin sila dun sa loob ng
For my
outpost.
mark, tapo ng block. Wala na. Save lahat.
Nasaan sila? Paano nga? Nasaan sila? Hindi ko nasaan sila.
Isa niya lang. Solo
Mas,
capture.
parang mas konti, mas okay siya dito.
Grabe
sa
talaga
A.
to si Rolgo, no? Kuya Dayo.
Huwag itulungan mag-cap yan. Huwag itulungan mag-cap si Errol Gold.
Go back
Huwag
guys,
itulungan
go
mo
back. Huwag niyo i-cap yan. Sino nagka-cap?
Ipalagay nyo lang HP, hit lang once, tapos alis.
Oy, si Carl at saka si Sinlo.
Reset niyo yan, pwede na mapatay.
1 at 5.
Ano?
Top 5 DPS ka.
Siyempre, ako pa.
Hindi ka counted. Nakaks ka eh.
Wala.
Di counted.
Gig pass wala na
Malas ka, pangalan ko nandyan, ikaw wala.
Ano yan ba? Sa bibenta ka
Support
or
ako, ayaw ka.
bibili ka?
Hindi. ano,
Nadawa ribbon, out na daw ribbon, out na tayo.
Wala na. Wala na. Wala na.
Let's go.
Natalo na sila eh. Wala na.